This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Minnesota's getting a heavy rain on Monday, October the 14th, 2013. It's going to bring a lot of rain in Minnesota on Monday evening because of the low pressure system is going to hit from the South Dakota, Nebraska and those places. Then it's going to head towards Minnesota on Monday evening. And it's going to bring up to 30 plus millimeters of rain in Minnesota. Especially in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. It's going to be a lot of rain. It's going to be heavy downpours to hit Minnesota. People in Minnesota, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, have your raincoats ready, have your rain suits ready, because a lot of rain's going to hit Minnesota on Monday, October the 14th, 2013, during evening hours in Minnesota. Because a lot of rain is heading for Minnesota. It's going to bring up to 30 plus millimeters of rain. And it's going to be very windy conditions in North Dakota, South Dakota. And the heavy rain will also affect North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, even Nebraska, because a lot of rain is headed for Minnesota on Monday evening. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and Coke. When you go outside, don't open up your umbrella or the wind can break your umbrella. Have your hood ready. Have your raincoat and rubber boots ready. And wear your rain gear and your rain suit when you go for a walk on Monday evening in Minnesota. It's going to be a lot of rain and a lot of very strong winds. It will rain sideways in North Dakota and South Dakota, especially in Minnesota as well. People in Minnesota, be prepared for a lot of rain on Monday evening. When you go for a walk, avoid the puddles and don't walk in the puddles. Just in case the puddle is very deep. When you're driving your car, avoid the puddles when you're driving your car. And don't drive your car to the deep puddles, especially it's very deep. Or your car can break down. A lot of rain's heading for Minnesota on Monday evening, and will also affect Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska as well. Best of luck to you. People in Minnesota, be prepared for a lot of rain on Monday evening. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in the rain. Be safe.